Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you present in a meeting in Google Meet and see participants while presenting. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Meet website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see at the left side of the screen you have multiple options to either create a new meeting for yourself or to join an existing meeting. So guys, if you want to go ahead and join somebody's meeting, all you have to do is go ahead and paste the code or link that they have sent you to their meeting right here. And after pasting the link guys, go ahead and click the join button that will appear right here. And after that guys, you will successfully join their meeting. But guys, for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and create my own meeting by clicking the blue button right here called New Meeting. This will now open up this new drop-down menu where you have either option to create a meeting for later or schedule it and so on. I'm going to go ahead and start an instant meeting. So guys, after starting the meeting, you will see that now this will open up this new meeting tab that will appear how your meeting looks. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and share your screen if you want to share with the meeting. So we're going to go ahead and do that by clicking right here in the lower corner, the lower part of the screen. You want to click this button called Present Now. So after clicking Present Now, select if you want to share a window or your entire screen. I'm going to select entire screen, then select the screen that you want to share. And after that guys, just go ahead and click the blue share button. And after clicking the blue share button, you can see that now this has started presenting my screen, and now people will be able to see my screen and everything I'm doing in my screen. So guys, if you want to see participants while presenting, it's very easy, and all you have to do is go right here to the lower right corner and find the participants tab that says show everyone. And after clicking that guys, you'll see this now opens up the participants tab and you'll be able to see everybody who is in the meeting and yourself. As you can see, I'm currently alone in the meeting, but if there are more people, they will appear right here. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. When you're satisfied, you can go ahead and click on stop sharing and stop presenting, and then you have successfully finished the meeting. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.